Hi everyone, I'm Lorenzo, Concina, a research engineer, and this is Seraphina Fong, PhD student. We are from FBK and we are part of the ELOQUENCE project.
Today we'll talk about how we're teaching AI to understand more of Europe's languages.
We'll start with the challenge, why so many languages are still left behind, and then show how our work aims to help close this gap.
So when we talk about voice technology like speech recognition, translation, or even assistance, it's easy to assume that these systems work for everybody. But in reality, most of these systems only understand a small number of languages, despite the fact that we have over 7,000 languages in the world. Moreover, performance in these languages understood by the AI are often not normally distributed. So what this means is that for most languages, even many within Europe, are left behind.
The main reason is data availability. For widely spoken languages like English, there's plenty of audio and texts, as well as market demand to develop more advanced solutions. But for smaller original languages, there might only be a handful of recordings. So traditional systems can't learn effectively from such limited data.
To fix this, there's a technique called transfer learning. So this means that instead of starting from zero for every language, we train large speech models on languages where data is abundant, and then adapt these models using smaller data sets from underrepresented ones. In other words, what we do is that we give the AI model a broad understanding of how people speak, and then help it learn the details that make each language unique.
This technique was inspired by computer vision, where the pre-trained model was able to learn universal features that were leveraged by transfer learning to solve a new task learned on a smaller amount of data. The same approach can be successfully applied to audio and speech.
And that's exactly what we're doing at FBK as part of the ELOQUENCE project. We've developed Musli, an open source model that supports 28 European languages.
Musli is built entirely using open source data and can be fine-tuned for underrepresented or even unseen languages. Moreover, Musli leverages a new approach to multilingual speech processing. In fact, it's a lightweight projector that connects a pre-trained speech encoder with a pre-trained LLM, allowing us to leverage a massive amount of pre-trained knowledge.
With Musli, we're showing that speech technology doesn't have to be limited to a few major languages.
By building open and adaptable models, we can make sure that AI represents more of Europe's linguistic diversity and make technology that listens to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.